the entire Islamic world that the President of the United States, Mr. Donald Trump, has decided to recognize Jerusalem as the capital of Israel.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, and I'm grateful to you and to WAC TV for giving me this opportunity. Just to clarify our position towards this very sad moment. Friday today is a very sad day for not just the Palestinians, for the whole Arab and Muslim world, and for all those who believe on democracy, who believe on justice, who believe on the international law. What had happened through this declaration of President Trump is a totally violation of the international law. The major question that can be asked directly to the American administration, to the presidency, to the international community, who authorized President Trump for such declaration? Did he think much about fairness, justice, about the feelings of 1.5 billion Muslims around the world? Did he ever thought that he had put the American interests in risk of such a decision that he had made? Did anybody anymore trust the American administration to be a moderator for peace talks or peace negotiation? Who is going to trust the Americans anymore, at least from our perspective,